Hi, I'm John Chan with Reviewed, and today we're going to talk about the iLife V8s. So the way I like to put it is, iRobot leads the way with innovation, Dyson with high-class design, and iLife likes to lead the way with high value. So a lot of their robot vacuums are very inexpensive, and they are targeted towards high utility over anything else. So at the time of this review, the V8s cost around $260. If you ever see it for under $250, it's definitely a good buy there. Out of the box, it comes with a remote, batteries, extra filter, and 2 extra brushes. So for the V8s, the big thing is that it's also a mop. You take out the dust bin that normally you use for vacuuming, you put in this other bin that's actually a water tank, and it has a special mode for it as well. It is a good floor maintainer. It can help keep an area cleaner longer so you can spend more time just using your kitchen instead of worrying about the slow buildup of grime. Probably the most direct competitor is the Ecovacs Deebot M88, which is also a mop and vacuum at the same time. Its tank is a lot smaller, but it is very comparable, and it is also smart connected. So that is the big difference between them. If you want to be able to be like, I'm having guests over later, I need to give the floors a once over, hit a button on my phone, and there it goes. For more on the V8s and other robot vacuum reviews, head over to Reviewed.